is still with us to take us through the key comments at the bilateral meeting. Sumita, over to you.
Absolutely. So remember, Shesha, is a very significant visit as far as a leader from Europe is concerned. And of course, there are very many visits from European leaders that are slated through January and February, which is when India is going to be hosting the EU-India summit. And then in February, we're going to be hosting the India-AI summit. So the French president is expected these 2 months are going to be packed with diplomacy. Now, coming back to what the Prime Minister's meeting with German Chancellor was all about. Well, both the sides spoke about the key areas along which cooperation could be done. Mobility was one area, visa free access for Indian nationals who are traveling via Germany. That was also one of the key discussions that was done. And then, of course, defense was a key agenda as far as this particular meeting is concerned. Germany is, of course, firming up its defense ties with India. The Prime Minister, we are given to also understand that both sides are also working on a submarine deal. There could be technology transfer as well. But the Prime Minister today spoke about easing up processes for procurement. He also said that India and Germany, they need to work on a defense roadmap. They also spoke about how terrorism needs to be handled with a strict hand. And of course, India and Germany will be working on migration and mobilities. And of course, as far as education aspect of the bilateral ties between India and Germany is concerned, he did speak about the fact that German universities will be establishing their campuses here in India.
Right. Sumita, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. When we'll try and touch base with you again throughout